So here is Payme app. It's a new trending app. Definitely recommended. As you can see, it's top charts in finance right now in US. And the idea is that you can actually claim some money, cash out and hidden money waiting for you from the brands you already use every day. So, there are these big brands, and every few months there is a big class action lawsuit from some huge brand, like for Cash App, for Coca-Cola, like TikTok, whatever. Sometimes, there was some data leaks, there was some bad product, and all the users, all the people who use this brand during, for example, 3 years from some period to some period, they can get like $30 back, $100 back, just as a part of this lawsuit. And this app makes it super easy. You do not need to fill any forms yourself. You just open the app, you just answer a few questions, and then you just can claim your money. I guess you should be based in US, so it's US only app. And there are some terms, obviously, when you need to prove that you kind of, for example, you bought Apple products from like 2020 to 2025 or something like that. So there are some requirements for you to qualify, but very often, yeah, these are very broad requirements and very famous brands. So you literally can claim a few $100s here and there. So that's the idea. So, for example, you can see class action, forgotten subscriptions. All 50 state registers, 1,000 plus settlement that waited for eligibility. And then you can just see it like that. And then you can just see what you're owed. And that's how you start creating an account. Where are you based? As I said, this app is only US only. So for example, I just select this. You just select your age. Which brand have you purchased in the last 5 years? And then you just select what you have used, for example. And then how you want to receive payouts, like bank account. And then you just tap next. So this is the idea. And then there is a referral code which you can have. I don't have it, but yeah, if you have it, definitely a good chance to earn it. And then, for example, you see you missed out on $428. So, for example, just in this case, you can see how much you can get in here. And see my claims, and then to order to do that, you need to actually subscribe, obviously, to this app. And there is no free trial. There is nothing, either annual, which is $30 annually, or lifetime $200, pay once. So that's the idea. And then I don't know, like, again, do not do it if you're not based in US. I guess if you're not like US green card holder or something, probably you're not gonna be able to withdraw. But if you are based in US and you at least completely sure that you kind of qualify for some of these claims, then yeah, you can just try it and spend the $30 to see if you can claim it. So that's the idea, how you can try to use it. And yeah, so something like that. Yeah, so there you have it.